Hi guys, my name is Manuel Muralles. I'm from Guatemala. I'm an SAP consultant for over 20 years. Before I was an IBM consultant, so in total 35 years experience in IT. And today I'm bringing you the experience of a recent customer requirement and the fulfillment of that requirement. So it's all about print auditing. I hope this says something to you. When not, then I will explain it shortly. So in our countries, it's pretty usual that people are stealing information in the companies and selling this for the competitors. Obviously, this is not comfortable for the owners, and so they were searching for a solution where we could let evidence on all what is getting printed on the network. Every user, every printer, what is getting printed should be also saved as PDF and generating a log with the user, the computer name, the time, the date when it was printed. Yeah. So we started our research in the web. So we found a software named PaperCut. In short, PaperCut is generating a copy of those of this what you are printing, yeah, and it's saving this in kind of EMF files, which are pretty huge. And secondly, then they have a viewer, which is a proprietary viewer, not famous, at least not to me, that I know it. And okay, these two reasons were forcing us to see for another software. So the next software what we saw into was PDF Creator. PDF Creator is well known as a PDF, save to PDF, let's say, and they are working with profiles, and behind every profile you can define the channels. Okay, what you want to do with the printed information. You want to save it as a file in an FTP server, or you want to send an email, or you want to print it out. Yeah, whatever what all you want to do with this, you are saving in a profile. This all is working pretty fine. But the negative part was that, okay, when having print outing, all the printers which you are using should have this PDF functionality. And in terms of PDF Creator, only when you use the PDF Creator driver, then you can trigger those activities with saving to PDF or email the PDF, etc., etc. So if you would, in the standard dialog box, yeah, of Windows printing dialog box, if you would select any other printer, then you would not get the possibility to save it as a PDF. Yeah. So basically this was a no-go for us. Additionally to that, okay, the prices, the licensing system what they have is on a yearly basis, which becomes pretty expensive with the time. So we moved into the next one, which is PDF also able, which is print and share. So print and share from Ricoh is software what we analyzed. We read a lot about it. We tested it. So it's working very similar to PDF Creator in terms of printing audit. Yeah, or print audit is very, very similar to PDF Creator, but it has much more possibilities about text recognition, barcode recognition, so contents recognition in the files, yeah, and based on that to take a decision where to print and so on. However, okay, I'm mentioning this only to say, okay, print and share is much more than PDF Creator, yeah. On this we have to be clear. And secondly, coming back to our requirement that we should be able to select only printers having the ability to save as a PDF, we found it, or we encountered that that print and share was bringing this functionality out of the box. So print and share is like blocking all the other printers, so you are only able to select the print and share driver. Once you select it, yeah, and if you enable the options tab then you are able to, so in the configuration you are enabling the options tab, and when you enable that options tab, then you are able to select the profile. And based on the profile, so the user would select the profile. Let's say I want this to printer 1, or I want this to printer 2, or to printer 3, and all those profiles are having the ability to save it as a PDF. Yeah. So basically, with that solution, or with that functionality, our requirements were fulfilled. Yeah. And a part of that, we found out that the system, or the licensing system, is really very acceptable. So they have a one-time fee, and that is really good to us companies and also to our customers. So our customer is pretty happy with the solution. We are also very happy with it. We are very happy with the support and with the sales teams. Yeah, we were getting really a fast response from them, and I can only recommend you to try the print and share solution, and I hope it is something for you. Thank you. Bye bye.